but it couldn't have happened without all of you. So I just want to say a massive thank you. Hey everyone, so welcome back to the vlog. Bit of a different one today. I'm literally going to be in here because I'm in the studio. It's been a bit of a crazy week. I haven't been travelling anywhere, been in the salon, so I've got little bits that I'll pop in all the way through this so you can see. But if you are vigilant enough, you'll have noticed something is up on the wall here. I've just done a time lapse on my mobile phone. Mobile? Who calls it that? On my smartphone. So I'll put that in so you can see me putting it up. But today's vlog is going to be literally me in the studio, just getting some bits done. So I've just put up a green screen, so you can see here. That's going to be a way to really make my lives and videos, I suppose, really engaging. On that green screen when we're filming, I'll be able to put like live stuff happening. Like my formulations will be able to be all over the wall with such, that sort of thing. This is the leveling up. But I want to just talk about this. So 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody that subscribed, that is continuing to subscribe. We just hit 106,000 overnight, so that's 6,000 in a month. Amazing. I can't thank you all enough. And then to get this, it's just absolutely incredible. I never thought it. I've just done a timeline. What the hell was that? I've just done a timeline for I'm doing a presentation on Tuesday for social media for Joico. I'm going to be going over there on Sunday to work with a team of blonde ambassadors on Monday, Tuesday, fly back Wednesday. So it's quite a long trip, and I've got to explain to them what we want from as a brand perspective. So how to capture reels, lighting, audio, and all of that. So it's really exciting. This thing I started in lockdown as a bit of a hobby is turned into a bit of a business. And talking about that as well, I'm working on, it's nearly finished, a stylish blow-up blueprint. And that is I don't know how many pages, but pages of information, a course basically, of how you can blow up on YouTube. And what really backs it up is, well, one, that, but also Ian Davis Emrys. I took him on a journey over 14 weeks, and we wanted to hit 1,000 subscribers and get like hundreds of thousands of views. He's just gone past 30,000 subscribers, and he's coming up to 14 million views in 14 weeks, which is absolutely outrageous. So if you want to be able to blow up on YouTube, you can use the same sort of thing on TikTok. You can use the same thing on Instagram Reels and Facebook as well, Facebook Reels. I've just really delved into that, and you can use this strategy on all of that. So I'm going to be working, it's going to be in the link, it's going to be in the description of all my videos going forward, so you can get it, but I'm going to be running it as a physical course as well. So I'm going to be heading to Wales at Ian's salon, and we're going to be running it as a course. So the stylish blow up blueprint, there's going to be a haircut, a hair colour live as well, and we're going to show you how to capture it, how to edit it, how to add trending sounds, everything. So it's a really exciting course that I'm really excited to bring to you. But it couldn't have happened without all of you. So I just want to say a massive thank you. So I'm literally in the studio now, and it's a bit of a mess. I'm just getting all these wires all together. I've just redone this corner, just tidied it up a little bit. Like I said, added the green screen. I've got my new GoPro up here, so it's going to be even better. My old GoPro's sitting there. And where is it? Here. I've just bought another one of these cameras, and it was down to my mum and dad. They wanted to get me something for hitting 100,000 subscribers. So they said, what can we get you? And I'm not one for always going for the most expensive. When I was a little kid, I used to say to them, oh, these football boots, they're only like 30 quid. We'd go to get them, and they'd be like 100. I used to be a liar, basically. But no, I used to just want the latest thing and everything like that, as you do as a little kid. But now, as a fully grown man, I'm not into the latest and greatest sort of stuff. What will make my content really good is what I'm using right now. I've got two incredible cameras in the M50 Mark II, this one that we're on, and there's another one just there. I've got my 90D, which is there, and I've got a GoPro 9. So I could have gone for the GoPro 11, could have gone for the GoPro 10, but I didn't. And I've been running a GoPro 3 up there up until today, basically. So yeah, it's not about having the latest and greatest equipment. It's about using what you can afford and what you've got at your disposal, basically. Most of you've got your mobile phone. So if you've got your mobile phone and that is your camera, that's what I started on. I started on my phone, and here is the first phone. I've got a Google phone now, but only because I needed a new contract. But there, it's a Honor, a Chinese thing. But it's great, really good. I still use it. I still use it for content. There's a little tripod here, and I literally have it there and do time lapses just to capture what I'm doing in here. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be setting all of this up. And I've had this. I bought this in lockdown. This is Elgato Stream Deck, and it's been linked up to StreamYard, and StreamYard is what I use for my online live streaming platform. Also, I use it to record videos with, because it's now saves online. So StreamYard is unbelievable when it comes to online content creation. They've just actually launched a way that you can take your lives, edit them live, and turn them into a reel, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, sorry, as well. Amazing. StreamYard are doing unbelievable. And one thing that I mentioned in one of my videos and didn't really mention it again, StreamYard actually gave me 2 months free to sort of get all this up and running, to take away a cost of something like, I think it's the top one is £40 a month, I think. And they gave me 2 months for free. So I just want to say thank you to those guys for doing that. They didn't have to, but they did, just to support what I was doing with my lives. Again, amazing. But yeah, this is my studio, and it's all coming together now. I mean, that's made it. So when we're going to be recording, and I'll be doing sort of like talking heads, I've just got to make sure that we get it in, haven't we? There. So you can still see the Paul Watts logo. You've got it here, a little bit of lighting. Got the Joico products. We've got Alpha Italia products down here as well. So when I'm doing talking heads, and even if I'm doing talking heads here, it's still there. The play button is still there. Yeah, I think the only other thing I want to really update in here is the flooring. We got this flooring, just like a soft flooring. It doesn't go all the way. I really like the concrete, but this adds a little bit of warmth as well, but it's just a bit softer on your feet. So I don't know what I'll do with flooring. But yeah, this vlog is just a little bit different because I'm going to be in here for the full vlog. But I'll show you all of my week that I've done. And also, I need glasses. I thought there was something different with my eyes, and my right eye has got astigmatism, only very slightly. Because basically, I was waking up in the morning, and I wasn't focusing, and it's obviously because my left eye was like still really tired, and I'll be like this, I'm like, what the? Couldn't focus. And I just put it down to my workload and travelling all the time and working in front of a computer a lot now, and just tiredness. And then, I don't know what it was, I went to bed one night and I just was like, I can't actually focus with that eye. So I thought, right, I'm going to go opticians. So I says dentist. I'm going to go opticians just to see what's going on, because they can also see what's going on in the back of your eye and that sort of thing. So I went, and no joke, I sat in there and she put something over my right eye and she says, how's that? I was like, I'm blind. Dramatically. But I was like, what I was meant to be looking at, you know, the little boards with like A, F, T, whatever. I couldn't read it. I was like, and I said to her, I said, I can't read it. She goes, oh, what about now? She put a lens in. I was like, well, that's bloody brilliant. So she was like checking all these lenses, and then with this eye, she was like, how's that? I was like, no, that's worse. She was like, oh yeah, nothing wrong with your left eye. It's your right eye. I've been getting loads of headaches recently, and I've been feeling really fatigued. And really fatigued as in not like physically fatigued, just like in my head. And I don't know if that is down to just needing glasses, if my eyes have been working overtime, or my left eye's been working overtime. By the time I get to the end of the day, because I put eye drops in my eyes every day, because my eyes always feel really tired. And I'm just really hoping that now this will be something that's like a game changer for me. So I picked out some glasses. They're nice. I'll get them in probably a week's time. So you'll be seeing me a lot more with glasses on in these vlogs. But I won't ruin the surprise. I'll just have them on, and you can be like, oh, I like them, or I don't like them. You look better without glasses. But we'll see. I was literally trying to look for glasses. I was trying them all on, and I really struggle with sunglasses. I really want a pair of sunglasses that suit me, and I can't find them anywhere. And I was like, right, if I need glasses, I'm going to really struggle to get glasses. So when I was in the shop, and the lady was saying, oh, pop them on. I put them on, and I was like, she went, they look brilliant. I looked in the mirror, I was like, no, they don't. She's like, oh, took them off. What about these? Yeah, they're a bit of you. Looked in the mirror, I was like, absolutely not. Took them off. One pair in the whole shop that suited me slightly. So when you see them, let me know in the comments what you think. Obviously, I'll do a video with them on. You can be like, hi, Specky. But I'm hoping that I won't be as tired looking. I won't be as tired feeling. I'll be able to see better. Means my haircuts will get better. No, I'm joking. When I told my clients, people were saying, you've got to stop telling people you're blind. Because I'll be thinking you're a weirdo for not realising sooner if you couldn't see. I mean, I can see. Like, I've got a board in front of me there, and I know it says finger, consultations, client expectations, coarse hair, dull hair, dry hair, lifeless hair, greying hair. I can read that. But it was down to detail work, so yeah. That's my story on my glasses. And all I think about is when I say, my glasses is Will from The Inbetweeners. I've lost my glasses. Anyway, I'm going to get to this, getting all this together, because look, it's an absolute mess, and this is my life saviour, Monster. I absolutely love Monster, especially this one, the mango. It's like my spinach with Popeye. Right, I'll set my camera up, do a little bit of a time lapse so you can see what I'm getting up to. And well, how long have we done? This is 12 minutes, so I won't do a time lapse. I will, on the next video, I'll show you all my studio, because once I get it all done and everything running, my videos are going to be so much better. But yeah, again, thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers, 106,000 now. Unbelievable. Let me know in the comments down below what videos you want to see going forward. I did a video the other day quickly. I had a client cancel, and I was like, right, what can I do? I had a look on Google, and I seen Hailey Bieber's Bob was trending, and I just did a really simple 0 degree, and I did it with clips so you could see it all sectioned out, cut. It was just really simple. So yeah, if you like simple, let me know. Well, obviously you like simple, you like me. Thank you so much for all the support, loving, and these vlogs. We want more numbers, we want big numbers, so I think I'm going to have to start doing some clickbait thumbnails for vlogs. Just be like, oh, look at this banging new haircut for 2028. And then it's like, oh yeah, I need glasses. Anyway, thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.